Walmart. I got a phone, I get to see a car show, and this is the best day of my life.
This is the best day of your life?
Best day of my life besides when I started dating you. Best day of my life.
That was the best day of my life. Disney? Okay.
This top Disney. I love you.
That's cool.
It doesn't top Disney. Come down here so I can get a video of you all. That's why I want a video of it.
That close to me. That's not very close.
Yep, it's gone.
Because you got it here.
That white car is not gonna start back up. Just saying. Cause if you can hear it, it's gonna die. It's not gonna start back up. He's gonna have to phone a friend there. Get a ride.
No, exactly. That would get stolen. Somebody will fix that just to steal it. You have to call a tow truck.
Yeah, that's what they would have to do. We're just gonna stand here and wait for everything to... Oh, there's more. Yay!
He's gonna hit that car. Dude, you ain't gonna make it.
Oh. Ah, he missed. That's good. That's good that he missed, but he might hit the green one. And he's clear. Probably can't get out of the car now. Yes. Yes.
Have a room.
What's up, man? Got beer? I got it. Good.
We're going all the way down and we stand. We're going the other direction. I'm just kind of tagging along.
It's up to you. I want to see the rest of the cars. Because I know...
Let's go down here.
Okay, well I have to get a picture of this freaking car.